Try these ideas for more successful stock market returns. Diving into the world of the stock market can be a very profitable venture when you decide to become involved in it. You can potentially earn enough money to live a comfortable lifestyle if you know what you're doing. Yet, it takes practice and knowledge to become successful with the stock market. Luckily, this video will be your guide as to how you can reach that success. If you have some spare money to invest, consider putting it into your employer-based pension plan. Many companies will match a percentage up to 100% of the contributions made by its employees, and this is basically the opportunity to receive free money. If you don't take advantage of this, it is tantamount to wasting quite a substantial opportunity. Investing through a brokerage has become very affordable over the past few years, however, it is still important for you to shop around. When deciding which brokerage to use, you should compare the fees that are assessed for trading, along with other fees such as account maintenance fees. You should also take into account the research tools that are available, the convenience of using their interface, and the level of customer support offered. When it comes to investing, make sure you're educated. Learn the basics of accounting and stock market history. If you're not educated, you won't be able to make money and you'll look like a fool. You don't need a 4-year accounting degree or anything fancy, but take the time to learn the necessary information. Do not set price targets for your stocks. Instead, you should set a stop-loss limit. It is always wise to plan for the worst, while hoping for the best. Because of this, whenever you purchase a new stock, set a stop-loss value at about 15% below your purchase price. This is the point at which you should cut your losses and sell your stock, before it becomes completely worthless. Keep performance of the past in mind. You may happen upon a stock that looks great, but many times past performance can be a sign of future performance. If a stock has done well historically, chances are that it will continue to do well. Read past financial reports and note any major changes before investing in stocks that are just starting to take off. This will help you to be more confident about investing in them. Consider seeking out the opinions of a financial advisor on occasion, even if you plan to oversee your investment yourself. A reliable advisor will offer more information than just a few hot stock tips. They will help you see what you might miss on your own, such as common mistakes, how much risk you can afford, or a better path to meet your financial goals. You and your advisor can then create a plan based on this information. You should now have a good grasp about what it takes to become successful in the stock market. The advice you gained today was only a portion of the knowledge present about stocks and how they work. Be sure to always be on the lookout for new information, as well as to stay up to date. The world is constantly progressing and you should have no problem finding success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.